What if you could get faster shipping without handling logistics yourself? Connecting Magento to Amazon Fulfillment can make it happen. Let's explore how it works, the tools you need, and best practices to get started. Magento Amazon Fulfillment is when you connect your Magento store to Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon, or multi-channel fulfillment. Amazon takes care of your orders, store, pack, ship, and even handle returns. Your customers get faster shipping, and you focus on scaling your business. But there are some hurdles. Let's get into those. Amazon MCF is like FBA, but for orders outside Amazon. Someone orders on your Magento store, and MCF handles logistics, pick, pack, and ship. Products ship in Amazon-branded boxes. Something to keep in mind if branding is important to you. To connect your Magento store, use these top connectors. 247 Cloud Hub Multi-Channel. Connector connects multiple marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Amazon integration by MGT-COMMERCE is feature-rich with bulk uploads and automated workflows. Amazon Sales Channel by Adobe Commerce is free, integrates with multiple marketplaces, and offers B2B pricing options. Pick what works for you. Amazon Fulfillment isn't free. There are fulfillment fees, storage fees, and referral fees. Fulfillment fees range from $2.70 to $5.68 per unit. Storage fees spike during peak seasons, from 78 cents to $2.40 per cubic foot. If you're a professional seller, it's $39.99 a month. Plan accordingly to stay profitable. You need to know all your costs and use repricing tools to stay competitive. Keeping inventory synced in real time is essential too. Use a buffer stock to avoid overselling. Also, make sure your Magento shipping options match Amazon settings to ensure consistency. These best practices will save you money and improve the customer experience. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more insights to help your e-commerce store grow.